Hey folks, Hyundai i10 boot struts. Hyundai i10, it's the model, the 2010 model. Probably pretty much the same as just about anything else. Right, irritated today. Boot struts had failed on this because the boot lid wouldn't always stay up, and the missus was complaining that it would sometimes clock her on the head. You notice it's going out quite easy at the moment because there's a glaring omission. Now, you go onto eBay, you buy yourself some boot struts, thinking, can't be too much of a problem, can it? So you buy boot struts, dirt cheap, about the same price as a Hyundai item. First thing I notice is they are fiendishly difficult to compress. They will compress, fiendishly difficult. So, to my mind, they're too strong. Secondly, the end parts on these, they're made out of plastic, not nylon. You look at the originals, they're quite tough. Same mechanism, where there's a clip. That clip there holds it onto a bucket. What happened here, chaps? Okay, so you support the boot lid on your head, as I am right now. You pull the old strut off, and I'm not going to do this again because it's already damaged my bloody car. Sorry, the wife's bloody car. Take the old strut off, fit the new strut on, okay? You think, cushy, boot lid stays up. Fantastic. You pull the boot lid down, and what happens is it's so strong that the bottom end pops off its mount, the strut comes flying out the side, and because the glass runs over the edge of the metal frame of the door, shatters the back fucking window. So there you go, and also takes a big lump of paint off, which I can fix fairly easily. But net result is cheapo fucking eBay nasty gobshite boot struts, £90 excess on the insurance to get a new rear window put in, plus an afternoon of my life wasted, plus I'm pissed off. So when it comes to these things, if I were you, I'd go direct to Hyundai and say, please Mr Hyundai, spares counter, can I have a new boot strut? Because the chances are it's only one of these that's gone on one side. And do not, and I repeat do not, buy boot struts from eBay, because you're just wasting your time. Right, so now I've got some tarpaulin which I'm going to put over the top of the boot lid to protect it, because auto glass can't get out for over a week. It's New Year's Eve tomorrow. I've sliced through the rubber to take the remains of the glass out of there, but I've left the bulk of it in there. The auto glass man can sort the rest of it out. He'll probably have a better tool for taking this shit out, and I've been very, very careful of the paintwork all the way around, just using a Stanley knife to cut the old remains of the glass off. And I've also done the precaution of taking the rear wash wipe off in case the missus turns it on and it suddenly decides it's going to crunkle all the plastic up. So all I'm going to do now is going to fit the plastic surround over the back window, and then I'm going to go for a bloody gin and tonic because I'm irritated. Shit happens, eh?